two values. To define a Boolean type or bool type, we use variable g is equal to true. For example, print g. Run the program and it's true. Let's check the type of g. Type of g. Save it. Run the program. It's of type bool. Now if you do a print 9 greater than 8. This is how we use bool. We use it in conditions. We use it in looping statements. We use it to define conditions within our programs. 9 is greater than 8. What should it return? Let's run the program. It returns a bool true because 9 is greater than 8. And if I use 9 is less than 8, run the program and it returns a bool false. You will learn different usages of bool as you learn advanced Python in the next few lectures and sections. But for now, always remember that bool can carry two values, true and false.